Algo at Choice Equity Broking, and from our research team today, Gaurav is joining us. Good afternoon to both of you, gentlemen. Kunal, coming to you for your first stock, give us a tech check on what Apple is looking like. You've picked out this stock for us. Last 1 month, a 12% return coming in. Year to date, the stock is up roughly 35 odd percent. It's been a steady mover, so no complaints on that front. But tell us if this momentum is something that you see continuing as we head into the next year.
Hi, good afternoon. Yes, definitely we are seeing some good upside momentum, particularly in this counter, and even after getting listed, the stocks has posted some good return. If you talk about technical wise, stock has been trading above its 50 and 200 days moving average with a positive crossover. Not only this momentum, based on the momentum theory, I think we may see a further upside momentum in the counter from the present level. Right now, counter is trading at 1800 level. Downside strong support comes at 1730. One can get into the stock at present level because I am seeing a further upside momentum in the counter up to the level of 1860, 1860. And if stock breaks this level, then further upside would be there up to the level of 1950. So we may see a good upside momentum in the counter.
Expecting good momentum going ahead, let's talk about a higher flyer in today's trade, and that's NTPC Green Energy on the back of some news flow that we've been receiving a couple of hours ago. The shares of the state-owned power generation company NTPC's recently listed arm, which is NTPC Green Energy, has climbed an early trade today after the company notified the stock exchanges that it has commenced commercial operations at its plant in Gujarat. NTPC Green's share price jumped nearly 6% today, has simmered down a little bit from the day's highest point, but nonetheless holding on to gains of 3% as we speak. Operations are underway of the first part capacity of the 37.5 megawatts power plant in the Gujarat solar PV project. This is as per the filing, and the overall capacity of the project located in Gujarat is 200 megawatt. This development comes quickly on the heels of the company's share price plunging just yesterday after anchor investors offloaded their stake as the first lock-in period came to an end on the 25th of December. Thereafter, 50% of these shares became available to trade, and the lock-in period for the remaining shares held by anchor investors will end on the 23rd of February. So that's still some time away, but nonetheless, on the back of a positive news flow coming in, part operations commencing for the Gujarat plant, the stock is up 3%. But on that note, Kunal, coming to you once again, you've picked out Devyani International on the charts for us. It's seeming to be very attractive for a couple of analysts, but what we are spotting is that if you take a look at the fundamentals in the QSR space, Jubilant has managed to outperform a bunch of these stocks. What's making Devyani so attractive on the charts?
Well, definitely Jubilant is outperforming, particularly in this sector right now. Devyani is trading at 190, and I have a positive view. I think Devyani also will outperform the benchmark and its peers. Right now, it is trading at 190 level on a smaller time frame. It has been trading in a higher top, higher bottom formation, as well as stock has recently given a breakout of its consolidation pattern with above average volume. Not only this, stock has also taken the support of its 200 days moving average. So all the equation goes in favor of creating a long position only in this particular counter. One can get into the stock at present level. Right now, stock is trading at 189 level with strict stop loss somewhere around 181. And first target that we can say is a 195, which will be its immediate resistance. And if stock breaks this 195, then further upside will be there up to the level of 205. So Devyani looks very attractive at present level.
Very good on the charts for now, even though it's